Hello, today I'm going to show you how to download and set up Autodesk Inventor. So there's a student edition available, so if you're a student you can get the software for free. So the first thing you want to do is to look up Autodesk Inventor Student and click on one of the links. You want to create an account and select your version and operating system and continue with the installer. I'm going to be using the 2018 version, and you can choose a newer version, but you have to keep in mind that you won't be able to, older versions won't be able to open your files. Run the installer and select where you want to install the program. Once it downloads, select the components you want to install. I'm only going to be installing the components we will be using. It may ask for a product key, and you can find it by signing into autodesk.com and going to the Manage Products and Downloads page. Look for Autodesk Inventor Professional, the right year, and copy the serial key. Sometimes copying and pasting it didn't work for me, so you might need to type it in manually. You might need to restart your computer, but the program should now be fully installed. In the next video, I'll be showing you the basics of Autodesk Inventor, including parts and assemblies.